Here's our small Trader Joe's haul, which we've already gotten into some of it on the way home. These little drumstick vanilla ice cream cones. Jack had been asking for ice cream for quite a while, so I went ahead and let him get those. Jason picked out these macaroons. The boys like this chicken fried rice and vegetable fried rice, but they didn't have the vegetable. I have some more chopsticks for snacks. We needed some zucchini. I like these maple chicken breakfast sausages. And this minced garlic was only like $1.99. I thought that was a good price. So picked up that. I think the boys picked out some root beer. And then we got a selection of wines, but that's pretty much it. I think somebody else got a sandwich. Then some of the cheese puffs, but they've already finished those off. So here's our Kroger haul, and we actually only went in to get a couple things because we're having tacos tonight, but ended up getting a lot more. And this is the cinnamon applesauce packets. They only had 2 left, so I grabbed those because all the kids like them. Chips for tonight. And I like this brand, Mission, because they use like the 4 simple ingredients and they're reasonably priced. The produce we needed: green onions, cilantro, and some jalapenos. And we got all of these salad kits for bacon Caesar because they were like 99 cents. And usually when we have salad here, we have to do 2, and I think I'm missing one, so I might be missing a bag. Anyways, we have to do 2 at one time. And so we have this Endless Summer, and we bought 3 of those, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to go check the car. I think we left a bag out there. But some ground beef. I got some Parmesan. This was on sale, so they hardly had any, and so I had to get shaved. Usually I get shredded. Welch's reduced sugar, and I had a coupon, so those were free. Cheerios Oat Crunch Almond. These are on sale too. Like the sticker, the reduced $2.79, which is crazy because cereal is so expensive now. Instant brown rice, and then these buffalo wing pretzel crisps are so good. Boys syrup. 2 black beans, refried beans, cashew butter. That was a good deal today. Some diced green chilies, black olives. Jack loves these by themselves, so I got 2. Rotel, cream cheese, sharp cheddar. Jason picked these teas out. They're all holiday blends, so they were on sale for like 49 cents. That's crazy. They say well, it says regular $1, but I feel like they probably cost more than that. Some rice for Jason, but I probably won't eat that. And then street tacos for the boys. I'm gonna do mine without a shell. And then I get the boar's head turkey. I usually get Cajun, but they were out, so I got black pepper. Jack likes the mandarin oranges, and they had this big pack, and it was cheaper to get the big pack than the small ones, so I got these. But that's pretty much all the haul. I'm missing 1 bag, so I think I'm gonna go to the truck and look for it.